I don't think people understand how deliciously unpredictable food can be. Until now. Welcome to Flint Lockwood's Food Truck, where our motto is, inventing delicious, one meal at a time. Today I'm thrilled to introduce the Spaghetti and Meatball Tornado Sub. Imagine a tornado of spaghetti meatballs and a surprise splash of sweet marinara all wrapped in a crunchy sub roll. But wait, there's more. How about a peanut butter and jellyfish burger? Don't worry, the jellyfish are just a fun twist. It glows like jelly. And for those feeling adventurous, try our pickle and pizza pocket. It's a flavor explosion that might just sprout legs and run away. Come on down to Flint Lockwood's Food Truck. Taste the adventure, embrace the unexpected, and let your taste buds soar. See you soon, food explorers.